Ingaphumi khwezi badethu bomnyama kwavela ukhanya ingakhala kaloku into ethi icamagu livumile kalomasi siyabhotisa kwaye sithi khululani nizobhatye ninyenyise umbhinqo kusekhaya jikelele apha kuninzi ke esiniphathele kona qinisekani kaloku into kubana nigqusha lazi ndimlo unonkanyezi
Mbukele ayiselishaya salivala ke ihora lokuqala kulolu hlelo lakho ekhaya jikelele uma ngabe kubungekho hawu ngiyakuzwela mbukele uphuthelwe phela kodwa ke at least usufikile sesinawe la sizoqhubeka nje ke nohlelo lwakho ake sibheke ihamba phambili kuleli hora
Inkundla ephakamileyo kwiphondo laseNtshona Koloni inike inkampani yebhasi iGolden Arrow isithintelo senkundla esithintela imanyano zeeteksi ukuba zizibandakanye neentshukumo zodushe.
Amalungu ebandla lakwaShemba bephume ngomningi eyozama ukushumayela umoya woxolo nokuzwana ehostela kwaMashu eThekwini.
Sihlushwa izintuthwa lezimpimko emabaleni. Okay, othethayo ke ngunonkalakazi ndicela nihlale bethunana niyibukela ekhaya jikelele kufumaneka indaba ezibalulekileyo imozulu ezemidlalo ezomculo ndicela nihlale apha ke nibukelile bantasenda ndithanda kakhulu sihlushwa izintuthwa lezimpimko emabaleni. Ngatsho nonkalakazi sihlabele mgama mbukeli novimba wethu inkundla ephakamileyo eNtshona Koloni nike inkampani yebhasi iGolden Arrow isithintelo senkundla esithintela imanyano zeeteksi ukuba zizibandakanye neentshukumo zodushe esisithintelo sikhutshwe emva koviyo lwenkundla olukhawulezileyo ngalentsasa kunjalo ke iSantaco ibuyele kwisithebe sengxoxo norhulumente wephondo nababandakanyekayo kwilinge lokuphelisa uqhankqalazo lwecandelo leteksi.
Inkampani yebhasi Golden Arrow ibhenele enkundleni kulandela udushe olukhambuke emva kokuba imanyano zeteksi ziqalise ukhanqalazo lentsuku ezintandathu. Kudutyulwe konzakaliso umqhubi webhasi kwatshiswa ibhasi ezintandathu zale nkampani. Inkundla ikhuphe isithintelo esikhawulezileyo.
The taxi associations that operate in the Cape Town metropole area are restrained from intimidating, threatening, harassing, or in any way interfering with Golden Arrow's operations throughout Cape Town. And they are also interdicted and restrained from intimidating, threatening, harassing, or assaulting any of Golden Arrow employees or passengers.
Amagqwetha eSantaco athi le manyano ikhethe ukuqaqambisa ngoxolo izinyanzeliso zecandelo leteksi kwiphondo ikwaxeka izenzo zobundlobongela.
Violence that was perpetrated was not Santaco members, but protesters that latched onto the stay away and strike. As the general public is aware, they peacefully demonstrated in an orderly fashion, drove their taxis on the N2 highway, and there's no incidences that is directly related and can be traced back to these taxi associations.
Phakathi kwezinyanzeliso abecandelo leteksi bafuna isixeko saseKapa sinyenyise kwimithetho yaso engqingqwa kwaye bangoxuthelwa iiteksi zabo ngolwaphulomthetho olungephi.
Amalungu ebandla lakwaShembe iNazareth Baptist Church eBuhleni abeshumayela ivangeli loxolo ehostela labesilisa kwaMashu eThekwini KwaZulu-Natal. Umholi ke waleli bandla umduduzi Shembe uNyazi lweZulu behola umthandazo kuleli hostela.
Leli hostela lakwaMashu lingelinye lamahostela adume kambi futhi elinesibalo esiphezulu sokubulala esifundazweni. Ukubulala nokudubulana sekuyinto yansuku zonke kule ndawo. Lokhu sekushiye izakhamuzi eziningi zesabela impilo yazo. Amakhosi asanda kuba nembizo kule ndawo ngenhloso yokuqeda lesi sihlava. Muva nje amaphoyisa athole umshini wokukhiqiza izinhlamvu obiza imali ngaphezulu kwesigidi samarandi kuleli hostela. Kukholakala ukuthi umsolwa ubehlinzeka izigebengu ngezinhlamvu okubalwa kuzo nalabo ababamba izimoto zemali. Ngenyanga edlule kwadutshulwa onogada ababili kuleli hostela.
ngisaphinda amazwe engawasho eqaleni ukuthi kusala izintandane kuze kwakheke igebengu ngeke zakheke ezweni. Ngakho mazulu amahle ngithi asihlale phansi makholo ongabona ngasolinye asihlale phansi silungisane ngoba ukuxabana nokuphambana insila yasemhlabeni osuke kungasho ukuthi abantu sekufanele balimaza noma babulalane.
Ibandla lamaNazaretha asebuhleni ahlangane lapha ukuze akhulekele leli hostel. Umkhuleko ubuhola unyazi umduduzi Shembe.
Basizi namhlanje nakunjena nje siyajabula impela ukuthi uNkulunkulu akacele nako uNkulunkulu abadala ke. Mhlambe ahlele ehlalweni zabo. Ukuthi abamelekelele kuphele lokubulana kwabantu lapha.
Amaphoyisa esifundazweni athi kudingeka izindlela ezahlukene ukulwa nobugebengu kule ndawo. Abahlali baleli hostel basanethemba lokuthi sisazotholakala isisombululo sokuqeda ukubulawa kwabantu yize isimo simanzonzo. NginguNhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC kwaMashu.
Usapho lwakwaNdlovu lufuna impendulo emva kokusweleka komntwana walo uBrian. Le nkwenkwana ibineminyaka 15 nebifunda kwisikolo samabanga aphakamileyo iQueen's High School. Kutyholwa ukuba ibilixhoba lokuxhatshazwa nekukholelwa lusapho lwayo ukuba kunobangela ukusweleka kwayo.
The other doctors were taking samples of blood on his arm. He was on oxygen. They did CPR, but I could just tell that my son was not going to make it. And that was goodbye for Brian. That's how he left me.
Umhla we-31 kuJulayi ibilusuku nje olufana nolunye ngelixa uBrian Ndlovu ebuyela ekhaya evela esikolweni nangona bekungabonakala into itheni kuye kodwa ngelixa eyokubona umhlobo wakhe ebumelwaneni wafika wamchazela ukuba akhange onwabe esikolweni.
He told Simba he had a horrible day at school to an extent that he was pushed against the wall in the bathroom and forced to drink poison.
Uthe ebuyela ekhaya uBrian wabesele engumntuwumbi ebila kwangoko wacela umama wakhe ukuba amphe ubisi esithi uyatsha etyhola ukuba wayeseliswe ityhefu. Usapho lwakhe lambalekisela isibhedlele kodwa ngelishwa oogqirha bakwazanga ukumsindisa. AbakwaNdlovu bathi bafuna ubulungisa.
He used to tell me, Mama, I want to be the next Siya Kolisi. Mama, I want to take care of you because of my rugby that I'm doing at school. But all that now is shattered. All because of evil kids, undisciplined kids. So all I'm asking for is please put those kids where they belong, in the rightful place, which I feel prison is the rightful place for them.
Lo gama isebe lezemfundo eGauteng lithi imeko engqonge ukusweleka kwalomfundi ka grade 9 isephansi kophando.
Abantu abahlala emjondolo yasezama impilo eRivali eGoli bathi impilo isiyaqala ibile esimweni sejwayelekile emva kokujutshwa kwamaphoyisa kule ndawo kuzobhekana nalabo abamba ngokungemthetho nabaziwa ngozamazama.
Namhlanje ilungu lekomiti kasodolophu ejongene nokhuseleko loluntu umgcini Chwaku lityelele indawo abaxakileyo kuzo zamazama njengasezama impilo nasematholesville eRoodeport nalapho okubanjwe khona uzamazama. Le inxalenye phulo lokubuyisela uzinzo kwimimandla ethwaxwe izintshukumo zozamazama. Abahlali bathi nangona bebona inhlanza nethemba ngale nkqubo eqhu banethemba lokuba ababethwa ngemfiphindiwe ngokuba iphelele emoyeni le nkqubo eqhu.
Sekungcono okuba nide nafika la emphakathini siyakhona basilale. Besikade singalali sihlukumezeka ngo6 kuthiwe masihambe siyolala ngabaphathi bendawo.
Abo 5 bofanele sokwendlini Khalisbang. Ngoku mangibheka ngendlela enenza ngayo la emkhukhwini kuzathuleka sakhona ukuhambana ngabo 7 ngoba bothi uyothenga uparafin ungasaphuma endlini ulala ulambile.
Uceba wendawo uthi isombululo sanaphakade kwintshukumo zolwaphulo umthetho kulengingqi kukuba ogobityholo basezama impilo bafudusele kwenye indawo.
Our long-term solution, it's not for safety for police to be permanently here. Our long-term solution it's that human settlement must come in and move those people who are qualifying to have RTPs to your flare off, to your whole grant project.
El phulo linwenelwe nasematholesville ngaserodeport apho amapolisa kamasipala umbwaxo waseGauteng anqakula didimbele eziseleni ozamazama amabini aze athimba nombayimbayi wompu.
I knew that the operation here is Amatoleville because our intelligence gathering has been pointing us here. And we heard that there are actually guns that are actually being stored here. And because remember, this Amatole is the area where the Zamazamas, they're actually raping women. They take women and they go up into the mountain, as you can see there.
Ugqirha Jwago uthi kuza kusekwa ibutho elilodwa yi-JMPD neliza kujolisa ekuthinteleni lwaphulomthetho neliza kuqubisana ngqo nokombiwa kwemigodi ngongekho mthethweni.
Idamu laseMthatha lingenye yeindawo zokuyijabulisa kanti futhi ilona-ke liwumthombo wamanzi kubahlali. Muva njekelele idamu lithandwa kakhulu kwezigebengu manje nosekukhathaza abahlali.
Umthatha yenye yedolophu ezinegalelo elikhulu kuqoqosho lomntla wempuma koloni. Kusenjalo ikwayindawo enezinga eliphezulu lolwaphulomthetho kwilizwe. Nekwindawo yesihlanu phezulu kwezo zibalelwa phambili. Idama laseMthatha libonwa njengendawo yokutyala izidumbu. Isehlo sakamva nje sisangolwesihlanu apho kufunyenwe imizimba emithathu ibotshwe izandla.
Aphaya kulahlwa abantu emanzini. Futhi bafika sekudala beswelekile ngoba baye bafike sibakhuphe mhlawumbe sebedubhudubhu sibiza amapolisa mhlawumbe umbona umuntu se edinga phezulu kwamanzi angajinga phezulu kwamanzi ixela into bakudala eswelekile sibiza amapolisa abakhupha amapolisa.
Iyabaxhalabisa abahlali into yokufunyanwa kwezidumbu emanzini abawasebenzisayo.
Mhlawumbe noba kungathwa idama liyabiyelwa kungangcono ibe yi-1 indawo ekungenoka kuyo kube khona usecurity okhoyo oyazi into babe kungene imoto ethile xa kungene imoto bekungene abantu abathile ngexesha elithile xa inobiyelwa le ndawo kungangcono ngoba ngoku umuntu uya nakweyiphi na indawo azolahla kuyo ezinto bazilahlayo kulamanzi siwasebenzisayo.
Umasipala i-OR Tambo uthi uza kuthethathethana nawo wonke amasebe achaphazelekayo ngenjongo zokufumana isisombululo koku.
Sinamaqonga abizwa njenge-IGR nalapho sisebenzisana nayo sizigaba ezizohlukeneyo zikarhulumente lapho sixoxayo ngezinto ezichaphazela thina sonke ukwenza into sibe nesisombululo apho sawubambisana kule ngxaki sijongene nayo. So lo mba ke yeminye yemiba iyawufumana ingqwalasela xa sihleli kumaqonga e-IGR.
Kwinyanga edlulileyo umphathiswa wamapolisa uBhekicele namagosa aphezulu emapoliseni ebethethathethana nosomashishini kunye neenkokheli zasekuhlaleni ngendima yolwaphulomthetho kwisithili sase-OR Tambo. Ucele uye wathi iqela lezokhuseleko liza kuba yingxenye yezicwangciso zokulwa ulwaphulomthetho kwesi sithili. NdinguNomzwanele Mngoma kwiindaba ze-SABC eMthatha.
Umphathiswa wombane uGqirha Khosiyentsula Maghupa uthi urhulumente usekhondweni lokugcina izithembiso wazenza malunga nesicwangciso sezamandla seli. Okara Maghupa benika ingxelo yakhe yeveki ngomume bobuxhaka-xhaka kwisize obuqhagamshelanisa izikhululo zamandla namasebe azo, i-National Grid ukutsho. Nomphathiswa wezamandla weli ePitoli uthi ke umyinge we-50% womsebenzi wenziwa lisebe lakhe ugqityiwe okanye usekhondweni lokuqitywa.
Ngokokutsho komphathiswa wombane ucimicimi ocwangciswayo uthe xhaxhe kunezinga ebekucingwa uza kufikelela kulo kobubusika. OkaRamaghopa uthi benza konke okusemandleni ukuqinisekisa ukuba ucimicimi ufikelela kwinqanaba elilawulekayo.
We want to go to a space where, of course, we're keeping to significantly lower levels of load shedding intensity during the peak. But in the context of what has been our outlook, I think the team has done relatively well.
OkaRamaghopa uthi kusafuneka kunikwe ingqwalasela umba wokuba besiwa nganeno kwizithembiso abazenzayo ngokulawula ucimicimi.
Outage slips means that we make the promise to return the units on a particular date and we fail to meet our own promise. A function of planning, the team is doing everything possible to improve that area.
Umphathiswa wombane uthi uMzantsi Afrika ufumana i-400 megawatts yamandla eMozambique. NgoJuni urhulumente wathabatha isigqibo sokuba uEskom afumane amandla kumazwe asebumelwaneni afana neBotswana neZambia phantsi kwesivumelwano sezamandla iSouthern African Power Pool.
Njengamanje ake siphose intambo lapha kukholosa ke sizwe ukuthi zithine zakamuva ebholeni ke lezomnqakiswano.
Babe ngazibini kuwe Mamtshali, iqela le-Australia lifumene isihlalo sesihlandlo se-12 kwindebe yehlabathi yebhola yomnyazi kulo nyaka. Ngelixa ke bebetha iNgilane ngo-61-45 kumagqibela kankqoyi kutshanje. La maqela ke bebambene kwisigaba sokuqala, kodwa ke i-Australia iphale phambili yaba kwisihlahlo sesibini yandula yagwesa nangakumbi xeshikweni ke itywatyusha i-Roses de kwaba sisigaba sesine. Ukanti ke kwisihlalo sesithathu iqela leJamaica libethe iNew Zealand ngo-52-45 baze ke bafumana imedal yohlobo lwe-bronze. Make sibone ke mbukeli ukuba indebe yehlabathi iqhube njani na.
Just 45 seconds remaining to the end of the quarter.
Joe Weston coming through. She'd been wearing Housby for a while, just waiting for that moment. Housby just stopping her footwork. Weston coming through with the tip and the pick up. Steph Wood converts. That's the Diamonds way.
Continuously turning the pressure up, and unfortunately an error of judgment there. Forgot that Courtney Bruce can't get over the transverse line, and the Roses capitalising on that.
And they score. We are level. How's the pressure by Helen Housby? And it's the patience here. The Diamonds having to work it around again. Garvin comes up through the middle.
And it's that middle drive that's really breaking through this zonal defence from England. Their unit is setting up, trying to keep everyone wide, keep the Aussie Diamonds working around the edge.
And perhaps that's what put the Roses slightly on the back foot. But be it as it may, there's still time remaining. Not in this quarter, but in the fourth and final quarter as the siren goes off then. But I mean, if you look at the quarterly breakdown, dead even in the first quarter, a 4-goal lead in the second, and a 6-goal lead. And that just shows you that the momentum is starting to swing.
They have been gunning for this title. They've won everything over the past year, the Constellation Cup, the Quad Series. So this is the one that they were really wanted. The Commonwealth Games as well as Kira Austin. Phenomenal last-minute shot from her. She has been awesome.
Oh, absolutely brilliant stuff. The Diamonds have done it. They are the world champions. This was the only one missing, and what a fantastic performance it has been.
For a 12th time for the Australians.
Congratulations once again to Australia!
Iningizimu Afrika igcine ilala isithupha emqhudelwaneni wendebe yomhlaba ngemva kokushawa yiUganda. IUganda ke embukeli iyona egcine ilala isihlanu kulomqhudelwano singethwe ngumkhandlu dolobha iKapa. Ehoreni lethu ke lokugcina soxoxa nowayengumengameli wenhlangano elawula iNetball lapha eningizimu Afrika uMimi wakwamthethwa.
Really making it good for the Ugandan side.
It's the two unsung heroes for the She Cranes with Nasanga on that goal attack in this first quarter. It's been an absolutely amazing performance from Uganda, who've come on quite strong. They would have done their homework. They remember what happened in the first half of that first game that they had against South Africa, and they've surely done their analysis.
Now turned into a warning. Nasanga will need to clean up because there's a lot of game still, a whole half still to play. With the warning, not looking good for Nasanga, but it is Vandenberg with that closing finish on this end of the second half.
Making South Africa work for every single goal as they come out with a rebound. And a quick save from Taliad. Oh, incredible effort from the She Cranes. I mean, you must be extremely proud to be one former player sitting next to me, Ruth here, who's celebrating already.
Oh, you could see the wonderful reach that Izet Grisel has, and the player of Uganda actually stepping forward.
It is now 18 seconds, last 17, not looking too good for South Africa, and she bags a win for Mary for the side of Uganda. They believe they go long, South Africa. It might be a little bit too late though, as Uganda is about to dethrone South Africa. They believe they could. They are now the #1 team in Africa. Uganda, who were previously ranked 8th in the world, now find themselves in that 8th position as they come out victorious over the home base South Africa.
Mbukeli okwamanje ake siphosa amehlo ke sibone ukuthi kumi kanjani lapha kwisimo sezulu. Siphinde sikwamukele embukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Owengamele ezolimo esifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal uthi bazohlomula kakhulu abantu basempendle njengoba kunohlelo lokutshalwa kwamazambane kule ndawo. Umnyango wezolimo kwebuhamba nenkampani okuyiyona ekhiqiza amazambane iPotato South Africa. Intatheli Iindaba ze-SABC uCalvin okwadludla ubese siqoqela ke lo mbiko olandelayo.
Owengamele umnyango wezolimo kwaZulu-Natal uSuphazuma uthi le inqayizivele yohlelo oluzokwenza omkhulu umehluko ebantwini basempendle.
Sijabula kakhulu ukuthi iPotato SA isebenzisana nathi kulolu hlelo nabacwaningi bethu ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sithole uhlobo lamazambane esizothi liwe quality kodwa futhi likwazi ukuthi limelane nendawo yala lingabi nezifo ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sisize nomphakathi. Sicabanga ukuthi umphakathi walempendle uzoba nethuba lokuthi uthole okuningi ngalolu cwaningo esibenzayo kakhulukazi futhi konke esizobe sikwenza kuzobuya kuthathwe umphakathi.
Ulindiwe Makhaya yena ongenye iphathimande empendle ngisho induna yesigodi esizweni samancamalala uthi bewumphakathi bazohlomula kakhulu kulolu hlelo.
Ikakhulu lizosihlomulisa kakhulu siwumphakathi ikakhulukazi nje thina esiphansi kwesizwe sakancamalala ziningi izinto esizidingayo ezizosilekelela njengoba nje kufike lolu hlelo lolu lwamazambane. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Urachichi Marukane ovele enkampanini iPotato South Africa utshele abezindaba ukuthi bafuna ukubona abalimi abavele endaweni zasemakhaya bekwazi ukuhlomula bazenzela imali ngokutshalwa kwamazambane inkosi yebhodwe phela.
We work together with the department to make sure that we teach communities about various types of diseases that are applicable to potato production. And in turn, our main aim is funukubona abalimi, especially from the rural communities, becoming commercial at the end.
NgiuCalvin wakwadludla eindabeni ze-SABC.
Umbondo zihlanjiwe umenzi biyela ongumakhwekhwetha kwezobugcisa ingakumbi ke ukulinganisa abalinganiswa bathile pha kumabonakude. Abaninzi ke baya kumazi ke ngomlinganiswa amdlalayo uPastor Gwala kwinkqubo kamabonakude nebalaseleyo ngamanani wabantu abayibukelayo uzalo. Kodwa ke ukabiyela lo akangomlinganisi kuphela kodwa buleki ukwanalo nolangazelelo nothando kumculo nokubhala. Kodwa ke ngaphambi kokuba sinxibelelane naye rhabulapha kodwa ungafinci.
Nginibingelele bazalwane egameni leNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo. Amen.
Amen.
Ngizovulwa ngoSamuel uchapter 17 ivesi lesibili. Ufundeka kanje na. uSawuli nabantwana bakwaIsrayeli babuthana bamisa esigodini sase-Ela behlela impi yokuhlangana namaFilisti. Bazalwane, siyofika isikhathi la uJehova esidinga khona empini kuyomele siqoqa sihlangane sibambane silindele impi. Ivesi lesine lithi waqhamuka iqhawe elikhulu ekamu lamaFilisti igama lalo linguGoliath waseGathi obude bakhe buyizingalo eziyisithupha nesandla. Bazalwane, isitha siyosingena ngeindlela engafani neindlela esingazazi. uGoliath ubeyindoda ezidlakela. Abantwana bakwaIsrayeli bebengeke benze lutho uyena. Kodwa uDavid umfana omncane wambuka emehlweni uGoliath. Wathi Goliath uza nezinkemba nemkhonto nazo zonke ikhaya, kodwa mina ngiza kuwe ngegama likaJehova. Amen.
Amen.
Hawu nkoshi, hawu usekhona ke umenzi. Menzi masikubulise sikwamkele ekhaya Jikelele.
Sanibona, ngibingelele nabalandeli bekhaya Jikelele. Ninjani kodwa?
Siyaphila unjani wena mfura?
Ngikhona. Ngiyayizwa lentshumayelo kwakuyintshumayelo yami yesibili ngifika kuzalo leyo. Madoda.
Hey, nangoku ingathi nje ungathi uvuthele kancinci because wow sivuselelekile nkosi.
Ngiyathokozisa impela ukuthi hayi abantu bathintekile bethinta umsebenzi ade ngiwenza ngoba into ebalekile lo yokuphela ngomsebenzi lo ukuthi uvuselela abantu bathinteke.
Hey besingathanda kodwa wena menzi into yokubana ube lapha enqubeni sihlale nawe sikubone njengokuba sikubona kumabonakude ube live. Kodwa ke akho ngxaki, siyathemba into yokubana next time siza kubona usindwene lapha ekhaya Jikelele.
Angiyiboni inkinga nje, ngisazonivakashela kahle kakhulu. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nibe nami noma siyenza telefonically lento kwamanje, kodwa ngiyothola ithuba ngifike nje e-studio ngihlale nani futhi ngoba sengiphusha no-music kuningi ngizokhuluma nakho.
Hallelujah. Khawusithole thuphe ngohambo lwakho njengomlingisi, uqale nini, uqale njani? Ndiyaqonda into yokubana ukhona udliwano ndlebe othe wabanalo apho usitsho into yokubana ubhuti wakho ngasekhoyo waba nendima enkulu ayidlalileyo kubomi bakho njengomlingisi.
Yebo, igama lakho Sipho Mzobe washiya ngo-2002. Wayidlala impela indima yakhe la ukuthi ngibone ukuthi nginalo ithalente. Uma sikhuluma ngokuqala kwayo lento yaqala ngenza ugrade 7. Iqala yena uSipho ngoba wayene community theater la ayekoleka khona abantu ingane ezincane so that bangagcwili kuma drugs nazo zonke lezi zinto lezomhlaba. And then ke ngangigude ngeaccounting neeconomics ngitshela ukuthi ngizobe accountant ngangapha kahle ngawuthola umfundazo. Ngase wangikhumbuza ukuthi cha unetalent mfana wami, khumbula lo nami ngakhumbula ukuthi yebo nayo into engayenza idrama ngase ngaye eGoli-ke eFuba ngafunda ngo-2001 wathi angihambe ngi-Natal Tech ngaye i-Natal Tech ngo-2002 ngaqala i-first year ngaqeda ngo-2004 then ngahamba ngaye e-Europe ngasebenza e-Europe for 2 years ngabuya 2006 ngeze South Africa ngenza i-show no-Danny Venturius no-Jeripo e-Stable Theatre la eDurban ngabona ukuthi i-industry ncane eDurban la eGoli hayi emva kwaloko-ke angikaze ngabuya sengibuyiswa uzalo eThekwini njalo nje indaba.
Hayi, jonga abaphazami xa bethi ngumakhwekhwetha inyawo zinodaka. Usuke eEurope uthi Durban Goli, jonga uyabizwa lubize lonto yakho. Kwimpumelelo ozinca ngayo, I mean one of your highlights njengokuba ungumdlali kamabonakude, uye wasebenzisana neqala uMduduzi Mabaso. Mhlawumbe ungakhe nje usichazele ngefuthe athe wabanalo kuwe nothando lwakho lokuba ngumlinganisi.
Wonke umuntu uyamazi uMduduzi indoda idlale kakhulu kuyindima ya television. Sike saba kwishow eyodwa kodwa sangahlangana naye kwi-place called Home kwaku-2006 kodwa ngangidlala i-character encanyanyana ngizange sakwazi ukuthi ngifinyelele kuyena. Lo umuntu nje mangimbona ku-TV engithandayo indlela performa ngayo like nje uyi-role model yabo. So mase ngingena kwi-Rhythm City nami sengizobhekana naye sengisebenza nenkunzi malanga ukhulekane esethi nqume le ndoda.
Wow.
Kwakuyisikhathi semfiki ngizonquma i-role model yami. So I know ngimkhonzile nje kakhulu uyakwazi naye lokho mangisegoli ngiyadlula ngimcheck lapha endlini yakhe naye uyangithinta nje siyathintana sibhekane ukuthi is right yini njalo nje.
Into ethi ngenene amaphupha ayafezeka lo muntu mhlawumbe uqonda bajonga ndingarhalela into yokubana ndihlale phansi naye whatever it is it's possible. Ndifuna ngoku singene kumlinganiswa obumdlala kwinkqubo yozalo. Ndiye ndathi ke ngaphambi koludliwano ndlebe ndathi mandike ndiyokroba pha ku TikTok ndiyafumanisa into yokubana uye wabhala uxwebhu apho ubulela khona i-production i-actors ne-actresses ubusebenzana nazo. Xa ndijonga i-comments ndithi jonga sanu pastor ude athi omnye my husband is now calling me mama because of you. Lelo futhe onalo umuntu ade athi mama kuye omnye uthi yo jonga the way ndi resonate ngakhona ne character yakho Pastor Gwala. Jonga man ingaske ndingakhonza kule nkonzo yakho into ethi you portrayed le character ngendlela yokuba umuntu akasakwazi into okubana ahlukanise uPastor Gwala noMenzi. Kwaye ke xa siyaphawula into okubana uPastor Gwala ebethole kwinkolo yobuKristu yaye engagunqi. Mhlambe ke ungasikhanyisela ukuba zintoni izinto anazo uPastor Gwala ongathi chini nami njinguMenzi siyafana mos noPastor Gwala. Kwaye mhlambe ungathi mhlambe intoni oyenzayo uqinisekisa into okubana uyayilungiselela i-character efana nekaPastor Gwala.
Ngilenhlobo ye-artist mina ethanda ukuthi i-act iqiniso ingakho abantu uma bengibona ngi-act into mase beyitshela ukuthi ngiyona angikwazi uku-act into engakaze ngiyibone. So uPastor Gwala umfundisi engakho isonto la engakhula khona eBaptist Church wakunomfundisi umfundisi Mgwaba. So ngathatha yena ngathatha ama-mannerisms akhe ngoba waye umuntu okind waye umuntu nje uthanda abantu futhi uthanda ukubasiza noma umphoqo engaphoqweki waye leyo nhlobo nje yendoda. Mangase sikhuluma ngama-mannerisms ukuthi afana kanjani waPastor Gwala noMenzi. uMenzi nje umuntu okind nje umuntu okind uthatheka kancane ngoba akwazi ukuyiphakamisa. Abanye aba-actayo la komabona kude bayayiphakamisa mina ngahluleka nje ade ngayiqala i-TV angikwazi nokuthi angazi nokuthi ngiyi-celebrity kodwa abantu bayakwazi ukungikhumbuza ukuthi hayibo phela ule uyi-celebrity ngithi cha yafana no9 to 5 ukutelevision. Ngumuntu okind ngumuntu othanda ukusiza abantu kumanje ngisiza abantu njengoba ngingekho ku-TV njengoba ngenza music ozohila abantu ngumuntu onjalo nje. So i-character yakho uPastor Gwala i-close noMenzi kakhulu ukuthi yena u-overboard okunye uMenzi ngiyakathathe kodwa upastor kwala yena ubethatha aggressive ngoba i-character bekumele ukuthi ibe njalo.
Hawu Nkosi yami. Hawu Nkosi yami, ibalekile kakhulu lento oyitsho into yokubana uzithobile kuba siye siva abantu bekhala kuba xa benibona kumabona kude bayanithanda njengosaziwayo. Ngoku xa seledibena nawe uba hayibo umenzi kutheni wangathi unijongela phansi uyaniphakamela. So inhle kakhulu lento yenzayo etshoyo into bana uyafikelela ebantwini. Ndifuna ukuqonda ke ngoku njengokuba uthe wasohlula-hlulela phakathi komenzi naye upastor Gwala, ingaba yena umenzi uyasho ukuthi mama?
Yebo, uyasho nje impela.
Hawu khawundibize ngeline eyi-1 uthi mama.
Uyasho impela. Umenzi uyasho nje ukuthi mama. Inhlonipho leyo umuntu esifazane.
Hawu Nkosi yami, asivile ke ukuba into okubana uye wazibandakanya nakwezomculo. Khawusithele thuphe ngalonto leyo into okubana kuba sikwazi kumabona kude ngoku ucule ubhale, khawusithele thuphe ngalonto leyo.
Ukucula vele into engaqala ngayo esontweni before uSipho angifake kulento yoku-acta. Ukucula into vele ikhona ukuthi bengayisebenzisi as ibhizinisi. Njengoba nje ngisathule kulezi zinto ze-TV noma ngiyithola umsebenzi bengifonela abantu ukuthi sicela uzo-acta entweni yami, ngithi cha, ngicela ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi nginalo leli talent and mangilenza independent ngoba kuzobe into yami ngeyizicontrol umuntu. Sibuyile nje sibuye izolo beseswatini ne-The New Sound, igama le-band The New Sound of SA, mina uzakwethu noThizeni basimukele kahle lapha eSwatini base bathi ayasiphinde futhi sibuye. Ngokuyiphatha kahle ke nathi nokuzefisa sahlala nabantu sathola namanye ama-shows basibhuka futhi, so sisazolothamba nje sibuya. And then ke ngo-August September siyahamba siye eZimbabwe because umculo wethu sisebenzisa ama-beat angaphandle mase sifaka isintu sethu and we-available kuwo wonke ama-digital platforms. Ucula umenzi wokuqala esontweni wathola i-acting wayitreat-a njengomsebenzi, wayithanda, wase wabona ukuthi cha leli talent ekufanele abanye abantu balibone ukuthi likhona mase ngisiza laba abanye abangaziwa ngoba vele nokuba ku-TV kuyangisiza ukuthi ngithola ama-bookings nayo yonke into. So ngathatha abafowethu abakibi uThizeni nozakwethu ngathi ngingcono ngivula ibhand nginganyuki ngedwa, anginyuke nabo bazothi mase bengenile nabo ngoba sinawo ama-music videos akawafaki ngisazosibona nje o-MTV Base no-Channel O nakhona lapho ko-SABC sazongena sazoba mnandi nje ukuthi ngoba si-independent siyithatha kancane kancane lento le kodwa impumelelo isiseduze impela nje kumculo.
Nathi sikulindile silapha ekhaya Jikelele sifuna ukubona uyenza le way. Sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho menzi kwaye sikufisela konke okuhle kwizinto zenzayo. Right mbukeli wami lo ke besinqokala naye nguye umenzi kanti ngoku singena kwi-Euro yethu yokugqibela yendaba.